How to add someone's Instagram story to my story. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you add someone's Instagram story to your own story. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get started. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to add story. So once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page like this, from where you will be able to explore to various Instagram videos or posts. So there are various ways to share someone's Instagram story to your own story. So the first way is, if someone has tagged you in their story, then you'll be easily able to see it to your story option over here when you open up their story, and you can simply tap on the add to your story option and you can add their story to your story. This is the first and the easiest way. But if you are not tagged on their story and still you want to add that story to your story, then you can screenshot or screen record the story. For that, you can select the story and you can screenshot according to your device settings or how you screenshot on your device, and after that you can swipe to left and you can tap on the photo like option in the left bottom corner, and from over here you can select the screenshot and you can set it to your story. This is the second step. And the next way is, if someone has set a story of any post on their story, then you can reach out to the certain post. For that, if someone has set this post in their story, then you can reach out to this post and you can tap on the paper airplane at the left hand side, and you can go for add to story option in the left bottom corner, and you'll be able to set this to your story. So this is the third way. So these are the three ways about how you can add someone's story to your story. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.